Welcome guys, today I am with Marshall Emberton wireless speaker and I'm going to show you how you can pair it with your Android smartphone. So at first, before the pairing, you have to remember to charge your speaker at least to the 30, 40 or 50%. You will find the USB-C input right here, and on this side you will find the battery indicator. So to power on this speaker, you have to click and hold this button for at least 2 seconds. Let's make it right now. Right now you can release when you hear that sound and when these indicators are up. And then we have to move this speaker to the pairing mode. So what you have to do, click and hold this Bluetooth button. When this indicator is blinking, it means the device, the speaker is visible to other devices. So right now we can simply open the Bluetooth settings on our Android smartphone. We have to click to pair new device. And right now, just take a look on available devices list. As you can see, after a few seconds, our speaker Marshall Emberton pops on the screen. So all you have to do, just tap on it once, click pair. Now just wait until it will be connected. As you can see, there it is. The status has changed. We are successfully connected. And right now, at the end, I can recommend you to tap on the settings icon and be sure that media audio is enabled, like in my case, as you can see. So yeah, that's how you can connect this wireless speaker to your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.